Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today we are going to unbox the Apple Watch Series 3. So let's start the unboxing video. So here I have the Apple Watch Series 3. This is the 38mm version and its color is space gray. So here on the front of the box you will have your Apple logo, watch, and then the series name, Series 3 in my case. Here on the back you will have its specification as well. So let me see if the camera can actually focus on it. So you have the model number, then you have the series, then the 38mm, and then you have the color, that is space gray aluminum black sport. Nothing too much here. Here you have the specification as well in bold, 38mm case, space gray aluminum sport band black. So let's just pull it out. And here we have designed by Apple in California text. So if I remove it, here you can see. So let me just pull out the things one by one. Apple Watch. So here is a complete manual, I would say not complete, but anyways a somewhat manual for your Apple Watch, including your wireless charger, how to use it to charge your watch. So that's all. So let's see what we got here. Some Apple, you can say, paperwork, I would say, like that. And here we have our band if the other one does not fit, and also we have our wireless charger to charge our watch OS. So here it is. I'm just going to simply pull it out from here, and it's going to be some length of a wire, I would say. So I'm going to pull it out gently, not to break it. So here we have our usual USB, and on the other side where we have our wireless charger to charge our watch. So here we have plastic as well. And that's it. So here is our wireless charger, and you get some length of cable as well. So putting that aside, let's move towards our main watch. So I'm going to pull it out. Here it is. So let's move the packaging, and that's it. So here we have our 38mm watch. So let's move this one as well. And here you can see on the back you have all of your sensors along with Apple Watch Series 3. This is the space gray variant, your mic, speakers, your crown, and the button to power on. So let's power on the watch. Your tiny Apple logo, like, I mean you can see it, but oh well. So in the meanwhile it's starting up, I'm just going to open my iPhone and I'm going to connect to it. So Bluetooth is on. So I'm just waiting for the watch OS to start up. Here you go. So I'm going to place my iPhone near the watch. What it is saying, like, bring iPhone near to Apple Watch. So I have brought it like really near to the iPhone. So here you can see Apple Watch, use your iPhone to set up this device. I'm going to press on continue, and here it will ask me to scan the code on the watch. Set up Apple Watch. On which wrist do you wear? The left one. So now it's just going to set it up. Okay, it's connecting to the Apple Watch. This may take a moment, and here let me show you the animation as well. So now it's just simply going to update the iOS of watchOS. As you can see, the touchscreen is working perfectly alright. Here we have the crown as well to swipe up and down. So now it's just simply a tutorial to show you how the display is going to work and all that thing, digital crown. So if I press on it, it will show you the different settings and all the things that you can do. So yeah, it's just going to set up. So yeah, anyways guys, this was just a quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 3. I will try to make a review about it as well after using it for a week or so, because I have owned it for the first time, so I don't know much about Apple Watches. So that's why I'm not going any much further in this particular video. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video and stay safe.